Hello everyone! Today we've received a trial request from a potential client in the US. While our 2 kW laser welder can handle up to 6 mm in thickness, the client's project now involves a last-minute addition, welding a 0.2 mm ultra-thin stainless steel tube. They've asked us to run a test with this machine to see if it's achievable. As you all saw from the measurement, we're dealing with an extremely thin stainless steel sheet between 0.2 and 0.3 mm. Now, let's take a look at the welding results. The test is done. The weld looks perfect and seals tight. It's strong enough for the client's needs, and it works every time in mass production. The trial processing is now complete. Everyone, if you have any needs for laser welding or laser cleaning, feel free to reach out. I'd be glad to help. See you next time.